Audio excerpt 1 from Recorder 21B in the High Security Archive. Recorded April 19, 1995 at 7:57 a.m.
Intruder detected. Intruder. Please insert level 5 heater.
Oh God.
Protocol. Broken light bulb. Authorization success. Now remain protocol. Broken light bulb. Attention. Protocol. Broken light bulb has been armed. Both these must be inserted into the control panel and turned within 3 seconds of each other in order to activate protocol. Broken light bulb. This must occur within 3 minutes.
You got the pick, Agent Locke?
Of course I do. How about you stand guard and shoot any other people who try to get in, Smith? We've already got one body to lug out of here. He's not even a security guard. I wonder where he came from.
Don't know, don't care. Let's just pick these locks and run.
If your bacon cheeseburger isn't flame broiled, fire it.
Welcome to Burger King.
Audio excerpt 2 from Recorder 21B in the High Security Archive. Recorded 3 minutes later at 8 a.m.
Almost got it. There we go.
Just in time, too. That time was at T-7.
Protocol. Broken light bulb has been activated. Both these were inserted into the control panel. The option for an emergency shutdown of protocol. Broken light bulb will expire in 60 seconds. If an emergency shutdown of protocol, broken light bulb does not occur within the next 60 seconds, protocol.
Wait,
broken light
there's
bulb
an emergency
cannot be
shutdown?
stopped.
Of course, there is Dumbo. It's a standard, and frankly terrible, safety feature to stop bad actors from activating it.
Like us?
Yes, like us. Unfortunately for them, they didn't account for guns.
Hello everyone and welcome back from our ad break. Today we here at WITC 107.9 have some news for you about Innotech. Today marks the completion of Innotech's rebranding of the Innotech Oklahoma City Research Facility to the Innotech Reactor Research Facility. In my opinion, this is a big improvement. Oh, and not only that, but they're conducting the first 24-hour test of their new gamma-ray burst reactor, which is meant to be the energy of the future right now as I speak. The best part about that is that you can go see it.
The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities. A disaster of unknown type has occurred at the Innotech Reactor Research Center in downtown Oklahoma City. This was issued at the recommendation of security personnel at the Innotech Reactor Research Center. Civil authorities have been dispatched to the Innotech Reactor Research Center to provide assistance during the emergency. All residents within 1,500 feet of the Innotech Reactor Research Center are advised to evacuate.
Sure. We had a civil emergency message interrupt our broadcast. You didn't need to finish the weather report.
Why didn't you... Wait, a civil emergency? That can't be good. Why was it issued?
We're not sure. It only specified that something was happening at the Innotech Oklahoma City Research Facility.
We don't know. I can't believe that the emergency alert system of all things doesn't know what's going on. I mean, their whole job is to know what's happening and tell us.
We're on the air, sir. They can hear us.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, listeners. So we just had a civil emergency message interrupt our broadcast. Right now, we don't have any idea as to why this was issued. For now, I would just get away from the research facility, because if they're issuing this, I doubt what's happening will only affect them. In the meantime, we're going to try and contact Innotech to figure out what's happening. For now, enjoy some tunes from the top 100. Hey Lisa, could you find Innotech's phone number? We need to figure out what... Audio excerpt 3 from recorder 21B in the high security archive, recorded at 8:01 a.m. This is the last recorded audio from this recorder prior to destruction.
Alright, let's run. I'm not trying to get blown up by some C4.
Probably a good idea.
Protocol. Broken light bulb was not shut down in time. An emergency shutdown of protocol. Broken light bulb is now impossible. Beginning phase 1 of protocol. Broken light bulb. Starting automatic shutdown of the gamma ray burst reactor. Overriding manual control of the gamma ray burst reactor. Success. Increasing gamma ray burst reactor control. Danger. Protocol. Broken light bulb was not shut down in time. An emergency shutdown of protocol. Broken light bulb is now impossible. Beginning phase 2 of protocol. Broken light bulb. Sealing the high security archive and the broken light bulb control room. Please wait. Detonating the high security archive and the broken light bulb control.
Anyways, long story short, something happened, and now their self-destruct system is active. How did this happen? No one knows. Point is, run. There will be explosions. If you were tuned in earlier, we had phone calls from people nearby, and they said they could feel the floor shaking from the explosions. For the moment, we've canceled all ad spots, so it will be uninterrupted news from us at WTC until the dust settles downtown. If anyone listening has more information about what's going on, we'd love for you to call in. In chaotic situations like this, listeners helping out means the world to us. You can reach us using the phone number 405-306-0795. We will be monitoring the phone line until this is all over.
The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities. The self-destruct system at the Innotech reactor research facility was activated at 8 a.m. and will detonate the surface levels at 8:08 a.m. Due to safety concerns, it is recommended that all residents not within 1,500 feet of the Innotech reactor research center go indoors and shelter in place. To shelter in place, go inside and take any pets with you. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off fans, air conditioner, and furnace if possible. Close the fireplace damper if not in use. Go to an internal room without windows if possible. Wait for an all clear. The shelter in place is in effect until 8 p.m. Central Time and may be extended if necessary. Any persons needing assistance regarding the shelter in place may go to the intersection of Charlotte Avenue and West Main Street to make contact with law enforcement. Further updates will be forthcoming as the situation progresses.
Switching tapes. This is audio excerpt 1 from recorder 17A in maintenance elevator 1. This was recorded at 8:04 a.m., 2 minutes after the last clip from recorder 21B.
Danger. Protocol. Broken light bulb was not
Oh
shut
my
down
god, this
in
is
time.
insanity. I knew we had a self-destruct, but I never thought it would actually be activated.
Ceiling. Maintenance level 1. Please wait. Success. Detonating. Maintenance level 1. Broken light bulb will in 60 seconds. All users are to leave the facility immediately.
Switching to the final tape. This is from recorder 21D on the ground floor, taken at 8:08 a.m.
Danger. Protocol. Broken light bulb was not shut down in time. Beginning phase of protocol. Broken light bulb. Mocking. Level 1 and 2. Please wait. Success. Detonating. Level 1 and 2.
Oh wow, we're watching this on the TV in the building, and I have got to say, that's a lot of damage. There is just debris everywhere. If you don't have access to a TV, get access. This is just crazy. Looks like a bomb went off, probably because one did. This is simultaneously really cool and horrifying. Like a train wreck, you just can't look away from it. I'm sorry, I'm spacing out. Yeah, as I was saying, this is a really big crater. If you don't have a TV nearby, I would honestly find a TV because this is something you cannot miss. There's concrete strewn everywhere. There's a giant crater just filling with water. The river is absolutely gushing into it. Otherworld.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Emergency Management Agency. Due to the explosion at the Inotech Reactor Research Center 15 minutes ago, large chunks of dangerous debris have been thrown up to 2,000 feet away. Citizens are advised to keep a distance from any debris and allow civil authorities to work. Large chunks of debris have been located nearby the following locations: Inotech Reactor Research Center, Oklahoma River, downtown Oklahoma City, South Shields Boulevard, Southwest 25th Street. It is recommended to keep 500 feet of distance from these locations.